Mailing postcards and flyers from home. 2023 Daily Cash Team. Simple to make money. This is very easy. Instant Pay Cash App Business. Direct Mail Home Business. Simple Postcard Mailing. Mail flyers at home for cash. Stuffing envelopes from home. Making money mailing low-cost flyers at home. This is so easy. Anyone can do this. Promote this system on the internet, or by using direct mail flyers and postcard. Get paid every day, member to member. Nobody touches your money. Cash App or Venmo and they pay you instantly. I started at level number 4 equals $185. You can start with just $10 to test it out. Go to this website. Scan this code.